Wait. Hello guys, today we're gonna collaborate with my sibling. My brother hates the sister part 7. Final part. Say hello. Okay. Okay, let's continue the video.
That was a nightmare, bro.
He realized that was a nightmare though.
Oh, it's 10:50 now. I
It's
have to go.
6:50.
It's 6. I meant 6:50. I have to go to school.
But he realized his father and mother are gone. Why did you do that? Why is it pitch black? Wait, guys.
How about
It. He realized his father and mother are gone because they're at the
Mom
hospital.
and Dad? What is for dinner?
Breakfast.
I meant breakfast. Why aren't they calling? I'll go down.
It's just okay if it's like that. Bro, stop. He realized there's no breakfast.
There's no breakfast. But wait, but where's Mom and Dad? Wait, I know they left. Where are they? I need to cook by myself, but there's no food from here. Where is food? There's only one cookie here. I'll go eat the cookie. Hump, 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 yum, 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 yum. Oh, that wasn't still enough for me. I need to find more.
The phone is ringing.
Where's the phone? Where's the phone?
The phone is... It's on.
Who's this?
Hello, I'm your father. And your sister is on the hospital. She's getting in charge right now.
What?
She's going to be here later. We're going to fetch her.
Okay. I will apologize to my sister.
Yeah, because of your past mistake, you... Okay, see ya. See ya later at what? See you later.
Toot,
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 toot.
toot, toot. It's already okay.
Who is this?
Bro, that's already paulit-ulit. It's already
Fine, fine.
Okay, once they hear.
I need to apologize to my sister for for making him hurt.
Okay, wait.
Why are they naked?
Wait, guys, sorry. Continue na. Knock, knock.
Knock, knock. Oh, it's my parents, I think.
I'm laughing because they were naked a while ago.
Yeah. Yo, no. No, I'm trapped. Yeah.
Bro, you don't do it. Just wait now, just wait. Knock, knock.
Okay. Junk, 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 junk,
Hey, stop.
junk, junk.
Okay. Okay. Okay, family, come in. Bro, move out the way. Okay. Yeah, I'm excited to go in now. I'm already...
Tung tung sahur, tung sahur.
Sahur, sahur.
Bala, balarina, cappuccina. Wala lang.
Okay, let's go.
That's just nothing. Sorry, but
Sorry about that. That's just nothing also. Wait, let me move that. 1 minute.
I ended up laughing.
Okay. Sorry about the Sige mo laughing. Because of the funny things here. Okay.
Chok!
Okay.
Ow!
Okay, what will you say about your sister for your past few months?
I'm sorry, sister, for hurting you. No! Oh,
Okay, brother, I forgive you. Okay, guys, let's have some fun. Which one? Where would you go? I know, in the beach. Okay, let's go in the beach.
oh. Wait, how about our package to go to the beach?
Okay.
Our swimsuit too.
Okay, we will be packing all of our things.